How to install VMware Fusion on Mac Intel. In this video, I'm going to show you or teach you how you can use or install VMware Fusion on Mac Intel.
So to get started, start by going to the official VMware website or any kind of website that allows you to download VMware. Now click on Downloads, then find VMware Fusion for Intel Macs. Choose the free plan, personal use, license, or buy the pro version depending on your needs. However, I think there is a promo going around right now that allows you to download the pro version for free. Now once downloaded, open the DMG file and drag VMware Fusion into your Applications folder. Open the app and Mac OS will look for permissions. Click Open and then Agree to License Agreement. When prompted, enter your administrator password to authorize installation. Once it launches, click on Create New Virtual Machine. You can either drag an ISO file for the OS you want to install or choose an installation disk. Allocate CPU cores and memory to the VM based on your Mac specs. After that, start the installation process as you would on any other computer. The only problem that you will encounter here is the strict privacy and security of iOS. So what you have to do is to just allow and to just make sure that you are allowing the apps to control your computer. After that, you would be allowed to do whatever you want with VMware Fusion. And that's how to install VMware Fusion on your Intel Mac.